Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to draw shapes in LibreOffice Draw. So we will create some really useful shapes. First, let's create a simple rectangle. So I select here rectangle tool and I draw here a simple rectangle. The another shape will be the square. If we want to add it, we need to click on the rectangle tool again. And now I press and hold shift from my keyboard and I start drawing. After that, we will be able to create a perfect square. For example, something like that. And how you see width and height values are the same here, so of course it is our square. We can change position of the square somewhere there, and now I will create a perfect circle. So I need to select this one tool to create an ellipse, and I press and hold shift, and I'm creating here a simple circle. Of course, remember that on area settings on the right panel, you can select really useful options. For example, you can change the color. I click on the arrow here and I will select maybe green color, and how you see it has been successfully changed to this one color. And of course, if you want to create other shapes, I recommend you to click on this one tool on basic shapes, and then you will be able to create another shapes, for example triangle or rounded square. So in this way you can easily create shapes in LibreOffice Draw. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.